Clash detection runs automatically against model changes, providing ongoing visibility into constructability concerns before they become costly issues on site. The Clashes tab displays the clash results across all models in your chosen coordination space and displays them as a matrix between models. The number in each cell is the number of clashes between the two models. Filter the number of cells in view by selecting Views or Models. Clicking on a cell or a model on the left will open all the clashing models in the viewer and highlight all clashes between the models. Clashes are listed in the left panel and can be grouped by object, model property, system, or type, and can be filtered to include clashes above, below, or between a tolerance value. Navigate to clashes by clicking on one or many in the left panel, which will show the clashing objects in more detail. Select an object to see properties using the bottom toolbar.